Chapter number 2, The Tiger King by Kalki. Before you read, what is the general attitude of human beings towards wild animals? So, generally, when we see wild animals, children, we are very much scared, we are very much afraid of it. We like to run away from wild animals. This is a general tendency or attitude, or we just like to kill them in order that we are so much afraid that we feel that they are going to harm us. The Maharaja of Pratibandpuram is the hero of the story. He may be identified as His Highness Jamidar General Khildar Major Satvigrah Samhari Maharaja Dheer Raja Vishwa Bhavan Samrat Sir Jilani Jang Bahadur MAD ACTC or CRCK, but this name is often shortened to the Tiger King. So the first paragraph just says us that the Tiger King is known by the various names. He is known as Highness Jamidar General Khildar Major Maharaja Dhiraja Vishwa Bhavan Samrat Jilani Jang Bahadur MAD ACTC. So you have to learn these names. Mark this that with what name Tiger King is famous. Means what are the other names of the Tiger King? I have come forward to tell you why he came to be known as Tiger King. I have no intention of pretending to advance only to end in a strategic withdrawal. Even the threat of a Stuka bomber, Stuka is the name of a bomb, will not throw me off track. The Stuka, if it likes, can beat a hasty retreat from my story. So, what the narrator is saying that he has come forward to tell the reader about Tiger King, and he is very much determined that even the Stuka bomb cannot withdraw his intention, cannot withdraw him from the path or from the track. Okay, so he had just come forward to tell the reader the story of Tiger King. Right at the start, it is imperative to disclose a matter of vital importance about the Tiger King. Everyone who reads of him will experience the natural desire to meet a man of his indomitable. Indomitable means determined. Indomitable means determined. Courage face to face. So he says that whosoever just come in contact or whosoever just come to know about the Tiger King, that person, it's very natural that that person like to meet this Tiger King who was really very much determined or who was very much indomitable. Courage means he has so much of courage to face the danger or the risk. But there is no chance of its fulfillment. But what the narrator is saying, but no one can meet him. There is no chance your desire, your wish cannot be fulfilled. As Bharata said to Rama about Dasrath, the Tiger King has reached that final abode of all living creatures. The other words, the Tiger King is dead. So he says that yes, your wish cannot be fulfilled. Why? Because the Tiger King is not alive. He is dead. That's why what till now the narrator has just told us that the Tiger King is known by the various names. Okay, and he himself has come forward to tell us that why the man is known as, why the king is known as Tiger King. And if we as a reader, if we just come to know about him, we would just like to meet this person. The manner of his death is a matter of extraordinary interest. It can be revealed only at the end of the tale. The most fantastic aspect of his demise means death, was that as soon as he was born, astrologers had foretold that one day the Tiger King would actually have to die. So he says that the way he died is the matter of extraordinary interest. Okay, so he just says that the when Tiger King was born at that time, astrologers just foretold, they just predicted that one day he would die. The The child will grow up to become the warrior of warriors, hero of heroes, champion of champions. But they bit their lips and swallowed hard when compared to continue. The astrologers came out with it. This is a secret which should not be revealed at all.